Hello friends, I'm Shreya. In this video, I will show you how to make two very beautiful small earrings. I hope you will like these two earrings very much. Please watch the video till the end. To make the first earring, we will use one 10 mm crystal, then one 5 mm pearl, then one 10 mm crystal, then one 5 mm pearl, then take 6 pieces of 5 mm pearl. Then I will take a crystal and the 5 mm pearl. We will add the ear hook. Then I will take 6 pieces 5 mm pearl. These two earrings are very simple but look very beautiful. If you want, you can sell these earrings for 5 rupees or 10 rupees. First I am using a 6 mm green color pearls, then a 6 mm off-white pearls, we will use 15 pieces of 6 mm green color pearls. To make the earring look more beautiful, we will use one 10 mm off-white pearls. Hope you will like these two earring designs very much. Please like, comment, subscribe jewelry channel DiyArtiePie.